Keep our garden city free from garbage. But look at the state of this monument. Are you desperate? Karnataka is actually focusing on ending the plastic day. All I could see is actually people throwing plastic. There's mountains of plastic on the side of the rail track as you travel along the railways, and it's disheartening to see. And this is not just here in India, but every developed world, to apart from Japan, until the aberrant individuals turn up there. In the last 5 years, Japan has opened up the country, and different levels of aberrancy is descending on Tokyo. Not next week, the following week, I'll be in Japan. I will share with you the mess that the foreigners have brought into the land, and what it meant for the Japanese future. Here in India, they're trying to eradicate the plastic concerns on the streets, but at the same time, the plastic is one of the common features that you see in front of your face all of the time. Yes, even a lollipop stick is being strewn across on the street. I'm going to drop this in the bin provided here in the Kubon Park. So this is a toilet, public toilet here. All along the road there, it stinks of urine. Do not urinate here. I'm not joking, right? Both sides of the road. Urine. Peeing place. And I just been, look, it says do not urinate. You got the two sides of the toilet. Two sides of the toilet. It says do not urinate. They have urinated enough. There you go. Toilet. That's a public toilet, folks. And they've fenced off this bit here. Yes, that's where they go piss and poo. It's a joke. This is restaurant. Nice little setup, right? It's what an overground metro station looks like here in Bangalore. Wow. I love the focus. A litter ends here. But most occasions here in India and elsewhere in the world, it ends up on the sidewalk, on the side of the rail track, or on the side of the ocean, the forest, a park. Even the buried are not spared, folks. So the litter.